Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll walk through the process of creating videos from webinars using Vidyo AI. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to sign up for Vidyo AI using the link provided in the description for a free account. Now, let's assume you have a webinar or podcast that you'd like to turn into videos. In my case, I'll be using a webinar from Navdia. Click on the Video tab, then select Browse Files to upload your webinar. Choose the aspect ratio you prefer for your videos and explore various templates. Feel free to select as many templates as you wish. I've chosen a few templates for variety. Click Continue to proceed. In the last step, you can add your social media handles for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Now, Vidyo AI will use its AI capabilities to cut your webinar into multiple short-form pieces of content. It not only provides shorter clips suitable for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, but also creates chapters for your video, particularly useful for longer content like webinars. Vidyo AI offers 4 framing options: square, 2 vertical, and 1 landscape. Adjust the aspect ratio as needed. Take a moment to play the video and review how it looks. But that's not all. If you want more customization options, click the Edit and Download button. Here, you can change templates in real time by swiping through options. Edit captions and add elements to enhance your video further. Once satisfied, click Download Video and save it to your device. Now you can upload your repurposed content to your preferred social media platforms. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to create engaging videos from your webinars using Vidyo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy video creation.